Good morning, students. This is class 11th maths, lecture 6th of chapter 7th, permutations and combinations. So see the questions of exercise 7.4. Question second part is given as that 2nc3 divided by nc3 is given as 11:1. So 2nc3 will be 2n factorial upon 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 whole factorial divided by this nc3. Now nc3 will be n factorial upon 3 factorial into n minus 3 whole factorial given as equal to 11 divided by 1. Now see, this 3 factorial will get cancelled with this 3 factorial. Also here we have 2n minus 3 factorial. Therefore write down this as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial upon this 2n minus 3 factorial. Also in the denominator you can see that n minus 3 factorial is there. Therefore write down this n factorial as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial upon n minus 3 factorial equal to 11. Now cancel out these 2n minus 3 factorial and n minus 3 factorial. So you will get 2n into 2n minus 1 into, see this is 2n minus 2. So take out 2 common. So you will get n minus 1 upon, here you will get n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 equal to 11. Now this n and n minus 1 will get cancelled. So you will get 4 into 2n minus 1 equal to 11. Here in the denominator only n minus 2 will left. Take it this side. So 11 into n minus 2. Now solve this. This will be 8n minus 4 equal to 11n minus 22, which will give you n as equal to 6. Now question number 3 is how many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle. There are 21 points on a circle, right? And you have to find how many chords can be made. So see, to make a chord we want 2 points at a time, right? So there are 21 points and at a time we want to select 2 points. So number of chords will be 21c2, that is 21 factorial upon 2 factorial into 19 factorial, which will come as this, right? 210. Clear? Now question number 4 is that in how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls. So in the question they have given that there are 5 boys and 4 girls and we have to make a team of 3 boys and 3 girls. So the number of ways in which this can be done is, out of 5 boys select 3 boys, that can be done in 5c3 ways, into out of 4 girls select 3 girls, which can be done in 4c3 ways, right? So the answer will be, this is 10, this is 4, so the answer will be 40. Clear? Now question number 5 is find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls if each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. So see, they have said that we have to choose 9 balls and 3 balls are of same color. That is, you have to choose 3 red balls, 3 white balls and 3 blue balls out of these given balls, right? So number of ways in which can be done, out of 6 red balls we have to select 3, that can be done in 6c3 into 5 white balls. Out of 5 you have to choose 3, so it can be done in 5c3 ways, into 5c3 for selecting 3 blue balls out of 5. So you will get the answer as 2000. Clear? Now the next question is find the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 cards. So see, in total we have 52 cards and we have to select 4 cards. So it can be done in 52c4, which is 52 factorial upon 4 factorial into 48 factorial which will come as this 2,70,725, right? Now see, these 52 cards are playing cards, and these 52 cards are consist of 13 cards which are of diamond, 13 cards which are of club, 13 are of heart, and 13 are of spade, right? So in the playing cards there are 4 suits: diamond, club, heart, and spade. And the 2 suits, diamond and heart, are of red color, and the club and the spade are of black color. That is, red cards are in total 26, 13 diamonds and 13 hearts, and black cards are also 26, 13 club and 13 spade, right? All of these suits has 1 king, therefore in total we have 4 king, 4 queen, and 4 jack, and 4 ace, right? Also queen, jack, and king are known as the face cards. Therefore in total we have 12 face cards: 4 king, 4 queens, and 4 jacks. That is 4 into 3, 12 face cards, right? Now in the same question, that you have to choose 4 cards out of the 52 cards such that these 4 cards are of the same suit. So there are 4 suits and each consists of 13 cards we just discussed, right? Now in this case we want that the 4 cards chosen are of the same suit. That is, either all the 4 cards are of diamond, or all the 4 cards of spade, or all the 4 cards are of heart, or all the 4 cards are of club. That is, all the 4 cards of same suit should be chosen. Now see, the first case can be that all the 4 cards are of diamond. Now we have total diamond cards 13, out of which we want to choose 4, which can be done in 13C4. This is first case. Now plus second case will be if we choose all the 4 cards from the suit club, then it can also be done in 13C4 ways. Similarly for the spade, it can be done in 13C4 ways. Similarly, if we want to choose all the 4 cards which are of heart, that can be done in 13C4 ways, because in total we have 13 cards of heart, and out of which we want to choose 4, right? Why we have added this? Because these are all the different cases, right? Because we have to choose 4 cards. So we have chosen 4 cards in this case. This case has been completed. Then plus second case, then plus third case, plus fourth case, right? So you add the results of the different cases. Now the answer will be 4 into 13C4, which will be 2860, right? Now second case is if 4 cards belongs to the 4 different suits. That is, if we are choosing 1 card from each suit, that is 1 from diamond, 1 from club, 1 from heart, and 1 from spade, right? So see, if we want to choose 1 card from diamond, so diamond consists of 13 cards, right? And out of which we have to choose 1, which can be done in 13C1 ways. Similarly, there are 13 cards for club, and we want to choose 1, so 13C1 again. Similarly for the spade and for the heart. Now see why we have multiplied this, because this is one case only. If there are different cases, then we add them, but this is one case only. Why? Because in the one case we have to choose 4 cards. Here we have chosen just 1 card, then 1 card, 1 card, 1 card. Now these are total 4 cards. So now this case has been completed, because now we have chosen all the 4 cards, right? So this, therefore multiplication will come. Clear? Now 13C1 is 13, and 13 into 13 into 13 into 13 is 13 raised to the power 4, right? Now third, they have said that the chosen 4 cards are face cards. Now I have already told you the face cards are jack, king, or queen, which are in total 12. Out of 12 we want to choose 4, which can be done in 12C 4 ways, right, which is this. Now the next is that 2 are red and 2 are black cards. The chosen 4 cards, they want 2 should be red and 2 should be black. Now we know red cards are 26, from which we want 2, into black cards are also 26, out of which we want 2. Why we multiplied? Because case has not been completed, because in total we want to choose 4 cards, so 2 and 2. Now the 4 cards had been chosen, right? So this is one case, so we will multiply it and you'll get the answer as this. Now fifth part is cards are of the same color. That is, either all the 4 cards selected are of red color or all are of black color, right? Now we know that red cards are 26, out of which we want to select 4, which can be done in 26C4. Now see here, plus will come. Why? Because we have to select 4 cards and we have selected. Our case is done. Now the second case is that if all the 4 cards are of black color, then it can be done in 26C 4 ways. So the answer will be this. Clear? So you have to be very careful that either plus will come or multiply will come, right? If one case is going on, then multiplication will come, and if one case is completed and the next step is of the second case, then plus will come. Clear? Now see question number 9 of your book, exercise 7.4. It says, in how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available and 2 specific courses are compulsory for every student? So see, 9 courses are there and a student has to choose 5 courses, out of which 2 courses are compulsory. 9 out of 9 courses, a student has to choose 5 courses, but 2 are already compulsory. That is, the student has to choose these 2 courses for sure, right? Now out of 5, 2 courses are compulsory, so now a student has to choose only 3 courses, and also because these 2 courses are compulsory, so the rest 3 courses can be chosen from the rest 7 courses, which can be done in 7C 3 ways, right? Therefore total number of ways will be, so the 2 courses are compulsory and the student has to choose this, so this can be done in 2C 2 ways, right? Because 2 courses are compulsory and student has to choose both of these 2 courses, which can be done in 2C 2 ways, into the rest 3 courses he can choose from the rest 7 courses, which can be done in 7C 3 ways. Now multiply will come, because this is one case only, because the student has to choose 5 courses. So 3 plus 2, now he has chosen 5 courses. So the answer will be 35 ways in which the student can choose the courses. Now see, this question says, in how many ways 5 courses are to be chosen from 9 courses such that 2 specific courses are never chosen. Now in the previous case they have given that the 2 courses are compulsory. In this question it is given that the 2 courses should never be selected. Now the student has to choose 5 courses, but he cannot select these 2 courses. That is, he has to choose now the 5 courses out of the rest 7 courses, because out of these 9, these 2 courses can never be selected. Therefore 9 minus 2, 7 choices are left for the student, from which he has to choose 5 courses, which can be done in 7C 5 ways, which is 21, right? Now see, the next question says, how many words, each of 3 vowels and 2 consonants, can be formed from letters of the word involute? Now this word involute consists of 8 letters, out of which 4 are vowels and 4 are consonants, right? Now they have said that how many words can be formed from 3 vowels and 2 consonants. That is, we cannot take all the letters of the word at a time, because we want to form the word from 3 vowels and 2 consonants. So first of all, we will select these 5 letters. So out of the 4 vowels, 3 vowels can be selected in 4C 3 ways, into the 2 consonants out of the 4 consonants can be selected in 4C 2 ways. So the total number of ways of selecting 5 letters is 24. Now see, these are the 24 ways in which we can select 5 letters. But to make the word, we have to arrange these 5 letters. Now for each of these 24 combinations, all of these 24 combinations contains 5 letters, right, which can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Therefore, total number of words that can be formed are 24 into 5 factorial, because this 24 gives the number of ways in which 5 letters can be selected. But to make the letter, we also have to arrange them. Now 5 letters, all these 5 letters are different, because no letter repeats in this word involute, right? So these distinct 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. So the total words that can be formed is 24 into 5 factorial, right? Now you can solve this. This is 24 into 120. So your homework is you have to complete exercise 7.4 and question 1st, 3rd and 6th of miscellaneous. Okay. Thank you.